Now the next alphabet is C and K. Both the alphabets are different but they sound similar. So we make this sound like we are playing a castanet. So it goes k, 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 k. Okay. Next is letter E. So you just have to break the egg into the pan. It goes eh, 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 eh. Next is letter H. So you put your hands in front of your face and you feel the breath on your palm. It goes. Next letter is letter R. So now you pretend that you are a mad puppy and ripping off something. So you go. Now next is letter M. So you have to pretend that you have done a very yummy meal. You have done with the very yummy meal. Your mama has cooked a yummy food for you. So you put your hands on your stomach and you do mmm. Next is letter D. So you pretend to have a imaginary drum in front of you and you make this sound from the stick. D, 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 d.